Okay, so my name is Om Shivraja Babu, and I'm going to ask you just about what you are feeling in this workshop. So we are going to start with Tushar, and everyone, please turn your cameras on, okay, so that we can just interact in a better way. So, guys, can you just turn your cameras on for the review? Just for the review.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi Tushar, how is the workshop going?
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, actually, this workshop is going to is the best workshop even in my career, because this is the most valuable workshop which I've knowledge which I've gotten knowledge about very much, and the and this is the and I can found how can a structure can easily drawing within Tekla structure. And thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tushar. That was a wonderful feedback from your side. And guys, this was a workshop just for 299, and I think this has helped you to learn how a live project works and how a consultant should work on a live project. Okay, so now I would like to ask Sai Swetha. Tushar, you may just mute your mic. Okay, thank you. Sai Swetha, would you like to share your feedback with us? Hello. Okay, I guess there is some network issue with Sai Swetha. So Ashutosh, we can start with you. Yeah, good evening, Ashutosh. You can just unmute your mic.
सर क्लास वाज वेरी ऑसम मेरी सर यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि 299 जैसे वैल्यूबल अमाउंट में सर इसी टाइप की क्लासेस और G+2 या G+3 के कोर्स भी आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो सर उससे और प्रैक्टिस होगी हमारी। तो सर ये इस तरह के कोर्सेज आप और करवाते रहिएगा।
या श्योर आशुतोष, हम लोग हर मंथ में एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 वर्कशॉप्स प्लान कर रहे हैं। एंड आपने जैसा रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि G+3 या फिर G+2 ऐसे बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स को भी लाया जाए, वी विल डेफिनेटली इंक्लूड सच स्ट्रक्चर्स इन आवर वर्कशॉप। थैंक यू।
थैंक
नेक्स्ट
यू।
we have Saeed Sadat. Saeed, would you like to share your feedback?
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have just joined the meeting. I don't know what's happening.
Okay, you have missed the meeting. No worries,
Yeah.
Saeed, because we are also going to provide you the recording. I guess you have already received the recording of the last day, so you will definitely receive the recording of this session also. And the WhatsApp group in which you are getting all the recordings and you are getting all the updates about this workshop, that will stay with you forever. So you can ask all your doubts in that WhatsApp group. Okay, so like whenever you are working on even a different project, then you can simply ask your doubt over there, and Manak sir or any other faculty of Tekla Structural Designer would definitely answer that. Next, I would like to ask Srinivas. Hello, Srinivas.
Yes,
I've,
sir.
yeah, I've seen you are active participants and you are asking a lot many questions. That really makes the mentor in like good, and that makes him feel good. And you are the one who was making this session interactive. So that's a good thing about you. So from you, I would like to know, like all your queries are being solved in this workshop or not?
Yes, sir. Solved, sir.
Okay, and what else would you like to add in your feedback?
सर अच्छा है सर, और इसमें थोड़ा अच्छा मतलब हाई रेज बिल्डिंग वगैरह सीखना चाहता है सर, वो एक प्रोजेक्ट इसमें करवा दीजिए ना।
Okay, we will definitely like to include a complete project in this one, and
विद
even in the
बेसमेंट
few,
सर।
yeah, with the basements and the shear walls, right?
सर
Yeah. Okay, Srinivas, we will definitely consider your request, and we would like to just come up with such a project as soon as possible. Thank you. Next, we have Nigel. Nigel, can you turn on your camera?
So let the camera be off. I'm in a relaxed mode.
Okay, okay. No worries, Nikhil.
Yeah,
What is your experience in this workshop?
yeah. I like what the 2 days that we had. It was quite good. Like I had certain doubts. I got it all cleared.
Okay, you have got all your doubts cleared. That's a good news. And we would like to make more and more such interactive workshops for all of you. Next, we have Science Sweta. Like, would you like to share your feedback? Science Sweta? I guess that's it. Okay, no worries. Thank you everyone for your valuable feedback. And now I would just take 5 minutes of your time and I will explain the Civil Center Student Club with you. After that, Manak sir will resume the session and he will tell you, like he will take all of the doubts that has been left out. Okay, and we can continue with the workshop. So most of you are already a member of Civil Center. I guess Srinivas, Nigel, these are the two members of the recorded session of the TST already. Okay, now, so those who are in touch with the Civil Center, they already know about Civil Center Student Club, or at some point of time they must have heard about this. So I'm just going to tell you, just if you want to be a consultant, okay, then just learning the structural designing software like Tekla Structural Designer or STAAD Pro or ETABS, like someone of you has mentioned the ETABS also. So these are important things, but it is not everything. You need to expose yourself to all the aspects of the civil engineering, and that's why we have made the Civil Center Student Club, in which we try to cover each and everything that is needed in the market if you want to make your career as a consultant. So to start with, we have a course of G+1 building estimation, which will open up a scope of estimator for you. Then we have another course of G+1 building design using AutoCAD and STAAD Pro, in which you get to learn how to make a architectural plan like this and then a structural drawing like this. That are the two outputs of this course. And similarly, we have another course of G+3 building design using Tekla Structural Designer, and in this we are going to get the same outputs. That means you will be able to make a architectural plan with furniture layout, and you will know how to design a complete G+3 story building and how to make the structural drawing for that. So these are the live sessions, and even tomorrow we are going to have a demo class for Tekla Structural Designer. So all those who are interested for this, they can text me personally. I have just texted in the group, so you can just get my contact number from there also. And if you want to make your career as an architect, then you can go for the 3D modeling softwares like the SketchUp, Revit Architecture, 3ds Max is there. Okay, now when it comes to the membership, then we have divided this Civil Center Student Club in three different memberships, that are bronze membership, silver membership and gold membership. In the bronze membership, you will be exposed to all the webinars, workshops, internships, mock interviews, events, competitions, career counseling, and you will also get to interact with the industry experts so that you can know what is the demand of the market and you can just mold yourself according to that demand. And this membership will just come for 199 and with a validity of 6 months. Next comes the silver membership, in which you will get all the benefits of bronze membership. Along with that, you will also get to learn the estimation, AutoCAD, STAAD Pro, SketchUp and Revit architecture. And this will come for just 14,999, and this is again having the validity of 6 months. And if you want to renew the membership, then you can also pay the half of the amount of the particular membership and you can renew it for the next 6 months. Then comes the gold membership. So in the gold membership, you will get all the benefits that are being offered by Civil Center. That means all the benefits of the silver member, along with the high configuration softwares like Tekla Structural Designer, Tekla Structures, Revit Structures, 3ds Max, MS Excel, and also you will be exposed to the survey, in which you will learn to use the total illustration and you will learn how you can do the topographic survey and building layout. If someone of you is in the college, then we can also help you with the writing your projects and we can also assist you on the special topics. So this will come for 27,999. And if someone is willing to be a member of Civil Center Student Club and enjoy all the benefits that are being offered over here, then you can simply text me on WhatsApp, and here is my number. So you can see 8433248864. This is my number, and I've also just texted in the WhatsApp group, so you can also get my number from there. My name is Engineer Om Shurasha Babu, and the most important announcement of the day is that tomorrow we are going to have a demo session for our live class of G+3 building design using Tekla Structural Designer. So that is free for all of you. So you can simply participate for that. But you will have to do just one thing. You will have to just text me on the WhatsApp that you want to attend that session, and I will give you the Zoom ID. Okay, and you can simply attend that session that is going to happen from 7 to 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, so guys, that was all from my side. If you have any kind of query related to the Tekla Structural Designer, this is the time. Menak sir is here, and you can simply ask all your queries with him. Okay, over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you for the introduction and sharing all the things about Civil Center Student Club. So yeah, we will just continue with our process. Actually, the basic process has been done, and you asked some for doubts and some things which you have requested, like the cantilever and some things. So we'll do. And regarding in the process, do you have any doubts which has been done till now? Okay. So yeah, so I think we'll continue with the things which people have requested. So someone had said, I don't know whether he's here or not. Someone had said to ask whether if you want to give a cantilever slab, then how will you provide that? So if you want to give a cantilever, suppose in the first floor in this particular room you want to give a cantilever to this. So if you want to do this, how to do that? So we'll see that. So we'll first of all go to this particular level of your structure 2, and we want to give a cantilever here. And for that, we'll just go to your model, and let's go to this take a parallel quick grid line. And suppose cantilever generally how much it is, it is around 3 feet or 3.5 feet. So it is around 1 meter, 1.5 meters. So let's take select this and take a distance of, let's say, 1.2 meters. So press F2 and then 1.2. So cantilever maximum distance is up to this much. So this is, once this is done, you can just click on this impose load and click on none here, and then select the particular beam. Just click on escape and select this particular beam, and now we can extend this, or else you can join this also. So for that, you have this grid line. You can just extend this particular grid line here like this, all these three. Select this and just straight intersection you'll do. Okay, that was not needed, the middle one. Okay. So once these grid lines are extended, then you can just select this particular and just go and freeze the scene content and turn on the slab items first, and then select the beam. Here we can extend this particular beam, or we can take the same beam as well. So I'm going to extend this, and I'll check whether there is any validation error of member intersection. So there is an error of member intersection here. So here I have purposely done that so that I can show you how to solve the problem of member intersection. So it is showing the error of member intersection because in this particular beam there is no node in this intersection. So how to provide the nodes? It is a very simple process, very simple process. Just click on this one node which you already have. Do nothing. Just move your mouse over to this particular node and then click. So next that node will be created, and then when you validate it once again, and that error is gone. So member may not be supported, that portion is there, so we'll keep it because that will be solved later. So here, like this, similarly we'll do this. We'll select this node beam, extend this, and select this node and select this, and then validate. So only member may not be supported, error is there. Okay, now we'll just go for our beams here. So we don't want 350 mm beams for such a small span. We'll go to our model, and then beams, go to this texture option, and after selecting this beams, we will just single click on this and apply this particular beam like this, single click, double click. So after doing that, just select this particular beam and then you can change the properties of this particular beam if you want. I'll go with 300 because I don't need actually that much depth in this cantilever slab beams. And after we have done that, and this is the cantilever which has been applied, and after that you can apply the slab. Suppose where it will be one-way slab if you want to apply that, and go to here and click on new, and here in the decomposition do this as one way, and the angle which the one way will occur, that also you can change, but let's see the default angle first. So it's showing the right portion. So this is the slab which has been applied. Now you can validate the model. Go to model and then click on validate. Now, as you can see, the member unsupported option has been gone because we have connected this with a beam. So like this, if you see in the structure 3D, the cantilever has been applied, and after that, if you click on design on static, this also be designed because it's not showing unknown because you have not designed it. So if you go and we'll just go to your load and define the combination. So let once again go to combination and define the combination once again. Next, and select this, next, and finish, and then OK. And after that, go to design and then design on static. So if you do that once again, the combinations will be designed, and we'll have the results for this particular beam, as well as you can see the beam has been designed here. Beams have been designed. Go to review and check the ratios here. So the beams have been designed, and once the beams have been designed, you can design the slabs also using the same process. So this is one thing which someone has had requested. Any other thing? I think which I had told that I'll do in the Tekla. So any other things which you want to see? Small things.
Sir, design RSA, sir. Design for RSA, sir.
Design RSA I had shown you, no?
Yes, sir. You said you will show.
No, I will not show. I've already shown you before this session. I had shown you the steps, and after that, yeah, this was actually the. Now I have changed it, but actually before that, it was the design RSA. Just before the session, I had shown you. Yeah, yes, Nigel.
So the direction of the one way should have been in the other side, the short side, the symbol.
Yeah, you can change that also. No, I think this is what is it? Structure 2. Let's turn on the
Actually,
slab items. This one, if you want to change it,
yes, sir. 90 degree angle.
90 degree angle you have to give. That option of 90 degree, yeah, this one, rotation angle.
Yeah.
90. Yes, like this you can change.
So it should be. Wouldn't it be better to design a slab in this direction? One way, load transfer.
One way load transfer, it will be better to design. I think that it is the opposite of what the direction which you, because we want to place the beams along the longer span, to cut the section on the longer span.
Yeah. So where will the main load transfer be? On the long beams or the short beams?
Main load transfer will be on your,
like
Along transferring the long beams.
Along grid 7 and grid 13, the long beams, or B and 4, whatever.
Yeah, right now, whatever the arrangement is there, it will be along the long beams.
Long beams, right?
Yeah, right now, this in this arrangement is along the long beams.
Yes, so it's better to.
It's better, yeah. It's better to do this, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, Okay,
The
so if
percentage of steel provided in columns and beams how to find the percentage of steel in columns and beams?
percentage of steel, as you have told you, there is no direct option till now. As of now, as of my knowledge, there is no direct option in which you can know it. But the query which you mentioned, like in if you want to know whether the over reinforced section is provided or not, as I've told you here, if there is the over reinforced section, it will automatically fail. Suppose if I go more than 8 bars of 16 mm in a particular section of 215 to 50, then it's over reinforced.
Generally, sir, under reinforcement we can design up to 6%, sir, 0.8 to 6%.
Yeah, that's
but if you design for 6%, it will
that's
be
what
more
I'm telling.
congested.
That's what I'm telling. If it's congested, if it's over reinforced or under reinforced design, it will not give. By the way, first of all, and over reinforcement also it will not give. If more reinforcement is required, then it will show as fail. So we don't need to check that. That's what I'm telling. That feature always.
Sir, you contact these software persons. They will tell you, no, sir.
Oh, that I'll do, but I'm telling that we don't need to check that in this, because if the design is over reinforced, then automatically the
no matter
section
over reinforcement, sir. General under reinforcement only we can as per code you can design 0.8 to 6%. But if it is designed for 5.8, 5.9 also, it will be steel will be more congested there. Generally, we confine to 2%, 2 to 2.5%.
That's what I'm telling.
If it is 5%, if you know the percent how much provided, then we increase the size of this section. For that, I am asking you, sir.
Yes, I have known why you are asking, but I have also told that is also true, that it will not design under reinforced. But if there is any option of showing the percentage of reinforcement, then definitely I'll tell you. Yes. Okay.
காலி பண்ணிடுறோம், அது இருக்கட்டும்.
Okay.
இல்ல வீட்ல
Sai Sweta, do you want to tell anything? I think your network is bad.
காலி பண்ணிடுறோம். இருக்கட்டும், நான் வந்து.
No, I think it's okay. Okay, so we'll end this session. Hope you had a good one, and stay connected, and we'll end it. Okay. Bye everyone.
Good evening, sir.